Yeah, all right. Welcome back to the class. We are still on Microsoft Word. So, before we start today's class, let me quickly inform you, please. If you have not reviewed us, please review our work on the Google My Business. You review our work there. Please go to our Facebook channel, review our work there. You can also go to our YouTube channel and review our works there. Alright, this will help us improve whatever things you think we need to do, we need to improve better. You can write to us through our email channel, Geofem Vocational Institution at gmail.com. So as you do that, God bless you. Alright, in today's program, we're going to continue from where we stopped. We have treated the introduction to Microsoft Word. We have treated the home and the we're still under home. We've treated the font and we've treated the paragraph. Like I told you before, if someone give you a work to do and it's talking about the font of the work or the project they give you, you're gonna come to this side. This is your font side, and then this is all about the font, the bold, the italic, the underlining. And like I told you, that once you see this arrow, it means that it has more option. If you click on it, you're gonna see more option from it, and so on and so forth. This is a striking, and this is base 10, and this is a baseline. So for example, you want to write something, you want to write 10, you want to put it in base, you want to put a base to it, you have to put it the 10 base 5, so and so on and so forth. While this is square or raised to power, and this is for text color, this is the text background color, and so on and so forth. While this is for what? For changing the case, maybe sentence, the sentence case, or lowercase, uppercase, each capital case, and toggle case, and so on and so forth. All right, so that is for font, and even for paragraph box is also found here. And then I have told you that. So today I'm going to continue from that. So, and I will be telling us about what this is, a quick style of the letter you want to write. For example, let me just write something first. Let's say, welcome to this tutorial. Okay, so welcome to this tutorial. So it is let's say, for example, now you want to look for a quick style. When you come to your style, you find quick style. Look at how it's going to change it. That is a quick style. You see, it's a quick style. So you can choose from a quick style depending on what you want to create. And then I think I'll be stopping on this editing. So this editing is for, there are three major editing navigation here. That is, one is find. Maybe you want to find a particular thing, you want to find it. When you click on find, it's going to give you the box. Then you want to look for replace or navigate. So like, oh my, so we have find, replace, and what select. So that is find, replace, select. Once you click on that replace, it's going to bring out this dialog that will bring out everything, both find, replace, and what, and then go to. So we have this. We are still going to treat what we call the A to Z of N, the A to Z shortcut, your control key, A to Z control key. I'll teach you control key of A to Z in Microsoft Word. So this is your finding place. Maybe you want to find a work. What are we writing so far? Welcome to this tutorial. Let's look. Let's quickly find to. So it's going to take you to what to. We have to there. So it's going to look for the words there. So you can easily find and replace. And set up. You want to replace this to with what? You want to replace it to with for. I get it. Maybe you want to replace the word to in your document with for. look at, or whatever things you want to replace it with, you just type it here, say find replace, then you say what replace all. If you want to replace one by one, you click on replace to replace one after the other. But if you want to replace all, you say replace all. You replace all. So we made 2 replacements, all done. All right. So, and if you want to find another one, you say find next. So one else. So you type another thing you want to find. You say welcome. All right. So type it. You say if you want to replace the welcome with 4, that means you are going to replace all. If you don't want to replace it with 4, maybe you want to replace it with thanks. All right. You say next. It's going to replace all welcome with next. You say replace. So you say all done, one replacement made. So by the time you check it back, you can see that our words was changed. Rather than thanks, rather than welcome to this tutorial, it's changed to what? Thanks for this tutorial. Okay, thanks for this tutorial. So that is how to perform what a kind of that's how to perform find a replacement in Microsoft Word. Okay, so that is that for you. That is that for you for the basic introduction. All these ones are not for this class, is for another class entirely. If you want to learn about all this one, you are going to engage in another class entirely. Meanwhile, our class continue. We are going to now move to what we call inserts. So from the insert, you can insert a lot of things. So, but that ends today's tutorial. See you at the mountain top of success. So please, if you don't understand anything at all, you are free to ask. Please ask the question and send us mail, send us question, send us review. God bless you.